So the basic plan is 1298 and the standard one is 2164 and the premium is 4327. So let's get started. So hello guys, I know most of you are looking for different ways to earn extra money. So today we are going to learn how to start your freelancing journey and start making extra money with Fiverr and Canva.com. So even if you're a complete beginner and you don't have any experience in freelancing, you don't have to worry. This video will act as a complete guide to you on how to use Canva and earn money as a freelancer. So let's come to the first topic, like what is Canva. So Canva is an online tool where you can create awesome and attractive designs, banners and graphic art just by drag and drop of your mouse. So Canva offers two plans. One of is free and you can use that for without no issues, and if you want to unlock more premium features then you have to pay $10 per month. So it's worth investing in premium plan. So I have already made an entire video on how to get Canva Pro for free, so check it out in the link in description. So how to use Canva. So the first step is you need to create Canva account from here by signing up with Google or Facebook. So once you have signed up, you will need to choose a design that you want to create from this dialog box. So after that you will be taken to your workspace interface of this tool, and here you will find different elements to play with. Now the most important part is creating your Fiverr account. So Fiverr is one of the best freelancing website for beginners where you can sell your services and earn extra money right from your home. So now you have to create your Fiverr account and add gigs related to your services. So if you don't know what is Fiverr and you don't know how to create a Fiverr account or what is a Fiverr gig is, I suggest you to look out for videos. Okay, let's try to understand what they're exactly giving. So this is I will design anything using Canva. So this freelancer will design anything you need right here in Canva. So this here is showing like 4 orders in queue. Let's look how much they are charging here. So it's 1298 for an Facebook or an Instagram post, and the standard one is 2164 for 6 images, and the premium one is for 4327 for 9 images. So let me be honest with you, it doesn't take a lot of time to create these posts on Canva. I personally make my thumbnails, Instagram posts and stories on Canva. So go try it out for yourself, make your own gig and start earning. So like the video for the algorithm and make sure to subscribe for such content.